Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hinge Dating App for free, legally. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the Hinge app from your device's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Once the app is installed, tap to open it from your home screen. On the welcome screen, tap the Create Account button to begin setting up your profile. You'll have the option to sign up using either your mobile phone number or your email address. Choose whichever you prefer. If you select phone number, enter your complete number with area code. You'll receive a verification code via text message. Enter this code in the app to verify your account. After verification, you'll begin building your profile, starting with photos. Tap Add Photos to select images from your phone's gallery. You'll need at least 6 photos. Choose pictures that show different aspects of your personality and interests. Next, you'll complete the conversation prompts 2RK. These are questions designed to help others get to know you. Tap on each prompt and write genuine responses that reflect your personality. Now, provide your basic information, including your age, location, and dating preferences. Be honest about what type of relationship you're looking for. Tap Continue to save your profile information after completing each section. Once your profile is complete, you can start browsing potential matches in your area. Scroll through profiles, and when you find someone interesting, tap the heart icon on any part of their profile to like them. You can add a comment with your like to start a conversation. This increases your chances of matching. If they like you back, you'll match and can begin chatting in the conversations section. The free version allows a limited number of likes per day. Use them wisely. All basic features, including matching and messaging, are completely free to use. Remember to check your Likes You section regularly to see who's interested in your profile. You can respond to these likes for free without any premium subscription. Thank you for watching.